take care of our children in
so sad, all of you. Heavy rain, what can I do? Also so much wind. Oh, it's very sad day. Also very bad today. I don't know how to take care of all of you, but don't worry. I am your mother. I'm always with you. Don't worry.